Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down again and tap on Device Identifiers. And here we've got the build numbers of the option we're looking for. Now all you have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now let's go back to the general settings and enter the system. Here we've got developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show notification channel warnings, we can override the force dark, we can change the window animation scale, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi here, etc. So all you have to do to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher on it. So for example, this pointer location, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way if you've got the options without the switcher. So for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on this highlighted switcher at the top of the screen. It is highlighted and it is pinned to the top, so you will not miss it. And as you can see, after tapping on it, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.